Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. We're here at Hue Hotels and Resorts in Boracay, and I just wanted to share with you what the place looks like and some of the amenities we've been enjoying so far. And we're now here at Hue Hotel and Resorts in Boracay, located right in Station 2 along the main road. At makikita nyo siya agad kasi nasa mismong Station X siya. And marami silang entrances dito pwede kayong pumasok via sa restaurant nila na Laud or dito sa isa pang entrance nila. Anyway, meron naman security guard na pwede nyo pagtanungan and mostly iga-guide na nila kayo papunta sa reception or kung saan yung receiving area nila. This place, guys, is so pretty and I can't wait to show you more. Every corner of this hotel is very pretty and it's definitely IG worthy. And napakalaki din ng pool nila. I'm sure mag-e-enjoy kayo sa pag-swim. Anyway, ayan, may hagdan dito papunta sa mga floor and you can also use the elevator para mas mabilis lalo na kung marami kang dala-dala. Although this video, guys, is the second day, di kasi ako nakapag-video when we arrived here on the first day. But anyway, eto yung itsura niya nung pinaka-elevator nila. So, ayan, on the way to the room, this is the view. Diba? Super pretty talaga and very, very relaxing. Super IG-worthy din. Hindi nga lang ako nakapag-picture dito kasi may mga iba pa kaming pinuntahan. And here's our room, guys, located at the 5th floor. This is a suite room and approximately, guys, nasa 30 square meters siya and can accommodate up to 2 adults only. Pero meron ka ring option, guys, if you want a king bed or a twin bed. So, ayan, meron din silang TV, although hindi siya Android, wala silang Netflix, more on cable lang. And meron din pintuan doon. This is the small dining area. So, perfect to if mag-breakfast kayo or casual lounging. And meron din silang separate bathtub, guys. So, may bathtub and meron din silang toilet para if like gusto mo na mag-CR, pwede ka sa kabila and yung isa naman gusto nang maligo. And ayan na nga siya. Napakaganda, guys. As you can see, it's very aesthetic. Ayan, meron ka na rin agad na blow dryer. Ito yung mga amenities nila. Here's the toilet. And here's the bathroom. So, meron na silang shower. Meron din silang bathtub. Overall experience with the room, guys, very comfortable talaga yung bed. And yung sofa nila, ideal for work from home setup din. And guys, ito yung pinaka-favorite kong part ng ating room, which is the window. So, meron siyang malaking sliding window. And hindi siya full view, but still, I like it kasi it brings a lot of natural light. it's like a road view siya, or yung main road lang yung makikita mo dito, but still it's still pretty. Now if you don't like it na super liwanag, meron naman silang thick blackout curtain. And here's the pool guys at night. So hindi ako nakapag-video ng maayos, but ayan, as you can see, nung pumunta kasi kami is may bagyo. So, umuulan siya, tumitigil, and then, ayun na naman, uulan siya ulit. So, hindi kami masyadong nakapag-swimming. Here's our second day. So, the next day na to, which is our breakfast. Sorry guys if I wasn't able to take a video ng maayos kasi, I don't know, siguro lutang pa ako kasi kakagising lang din. But anyway, ito yung mga food nila dito sa kanilang restaurant, which is yung laod. So, free breakfast to guys. And ito yung breakfast na hinanda nila that time. Here's what I ate guys for breakfast. And while eating, ito yung view mo. Napakaganda, diba? And very relaxing kasi katabi mo yung pool. Ang maganda pa dyan, very tahimik lang siya. Very peaceful. Kasi siguro wala rin masyadong tao dahil may bagyo that time na pumunta kami dito sa Boracay. And here we are guys at the second floor, still exploring the hotel. And you know what's cool here is that they also have small shops, boutiques, and even a spa, which is, it makes it feel more like a community hub, not just a hotel. And yun nga, meron din sila mga restaurants. And every corner of this place guys is napaka-Instagram worthy, from the lobby to the poolside, which makes it really really fun to explore. And another thing guys na makikita nyo dito sa U Hotel is the arcade area, kung saan pwede ka makapaglaro with your friends and family. Kasi may mga games sila like mga classic games, basketball, shootouts, racing games, and they also have karaoke, although may bayad yon, but still guys, you can enjoy and have fun here. And right next to that arcade area guys, meron din silang mini food park kung saan may mga food stall or food hall sila na pwede niyong pagpilian. So from Filipino food to pizza, burgers, pasta, and so on. Although that time guys, may mga nakasara. Siguro nga dahil nga wala pang masyadong tao dahil tag-ulan kasi that time. But anyway, so we ordered food at the Kubo. And here, ayan, nakikita nyo naman, napaka-Instagrammable, diba? Napakaganda lang talaga ng place nila. And this is what the food that we've ordered, which is a burger and a Shanghai. And I use Grab, guys. Meron silang parang payment method is Grab. And pwede ka makakuha ng mga discounts. So, just check it out sa Grab. Search nyo na lang kung paano. And that's it guys for our little tour and experience here at U Hotel Boracay. Nag-enjoy talaga ako sa pag-tour sa inyo, sa mga rooms, the arcade, yung food park nila, and just the whole vibe of the place. So I hope you guys had fun joining me, and maybe this gave you an idea of what it's like inside U Hotel. So on the next vlog, I'm gonna show you all the restaurants na kinainan namin. So make sure to watch it. And anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!